Okay, and now another video on area of a sector. Now, area of a sector is given by this famous formula, that is theta over 360 by r squared. Okay, now our theta here is 90 degrees. So the question is asking you that the diagram below shows a sector of a circle with center O and a radius of 3.5 centimeter. Calculate the area of the sector. Check pi to be 27. So again, we said area to be pi. Okay, this is area. So theta over 360, that is 90 over 360 times pi, which is 22 over 7, times r squared, which is 3.5 squared, or 3.5 times 3.5. So let's see how much it gives us. Just if you have a calculator, don't stress yourself. Just put whatever you see on your calculator. Is going to give you 9.625 centimeter square. That is your area. Now, what if you have a question like this where you've been asked to find the angle instead of the area? Now, the area of a sector of a circle of radius 14 centimeter is 246.4 centimeter square. Also find the angle subtended at the center of the circle. So we know that area is equal to theta over 360 by r squared. Okay. Now we have the area, but we don't have the angle. The area is 246.4, which is equal to theta, which you don't know, over 360 times 22 over 7 times r squared, which is 14 squared, or 14 times 14. Now for you to get theta, anything that was on this side, if it was at the bottom, it will appear at the top, and whatever was at the top will appear at the bottom. So let's say you have 246.4. Now you'll multiply with whatever that was at the bottom, that is 360 and 7, and then you divide by whatever was at the top, that is 22 times 14 times 14. That gives you the simplest way possible. So again, I'm repeating once more. So if you want to get theta, you'll multiply by whatever is at the bottom, that is 360 and 7, and you'll divide by whatever is at the top. Okay, so 246.4 times 360 times 7, and then divide by 22 times 14 times 14. Obviously at the top you're going to get 620,928 divided by 22 times 14 times 14, which is 4,312. Your theta is going to be 144 degrees. That is your answer. Okay, if you have a question like this now, where you've been told to find the area of this segment, this is what we call a segment, the shaded segment, or the shaded region, then how would we solve it? Now the question is asking you that the figure below is a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeter. If AB is 6 centimeter and angle AOB is 120 degrees, find the area of the shaded region. Check pi now to be different, to be 3.142. So to solve VP now. So area of shaded region, okay, area of shaded region is given by this one, which is area of the sector, okay, minus the area of the triangle. Okay. Because if you were searching for the whole of this, and let me use another different color so that you guys can get to understand. If you are searching for the whole of this and you subtract with this area, then you get the remaining part, and the remaining part is this shaded region that we have there. Come on. So yeah, the shaded region, which is this one here. So area of the whole sector minus area of the obviously area of the triangle. Now let's search for the area of a sector. Area of a sector is equal to theta over 360 pi r squared. So our theta is basically 120 over 360 times 3.142 times 5 squared. And let's see how much it gives us. So 120 over 360 times 3.142 times 5 squared is going to give us 26.18 centimeters square. That's the area of a sector. What about the triangle? Now, for you to find the area of a triangle, let's search the height of that triangle. So we have a triangle like this, where this is 5 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. This is O, this is A, and this is B. But the distance from A to B is 6 centimeter. So let's find out the height. So this, if you divide 6 by 2, it's going to give you 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So obviously C squared minus B squared. So you're going to do 5 squared minus 3 squared, then square root it. By now you should know this. Okay, that's how you normally find the height. So if you do that, you get 16. The square root of 16 is 4. Remember, this is our C squared minus B squared gives you A squared. The easiest way of finding A is just square root whatever answer that you'll get. That is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. So basically our height is 4. Okay, now let's take a half. That's the triangle. A half. Now we're searching for the area of triangle. Okay, the triangle. So it's going to be half times base, which is 6. The whole of this is your base, times the height, which is 4. And it's going to give you by 2, 1, by 2, 2. That gives you 12 centimeter square. Now after getting the 2, we say the shaded region is going to be what? Sector minus your triangle. And don't add those. So your sector is 26.18 minus the triangle. Okay, 26.18 minus 12, which gives you 14.18 centimeter square. And that is the area of the shaded region. Okay, so normally let's stop there for area of sectors. And again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. In case you have any inquiries, please ask so on the comment section. And in case you've missed some topics, then you'll find at the playlist at the end of this video. That is the playlist for CBC grade 10. And very soon we're going to launch a chemistry lesson. Wabillahi. No, you're grade 9 students, so you don't have chemistry. But I think pre-technical studies, inshallah, bi'idhnillah. Kareem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.